What is up everybody, Golden Holden here, and today we're going to be unboxing this Freestyle. Alright, so we're going to open this box up, and what we have in here is we have our solutions. This comes with the surface activator and the 24K bright gold. This option does. They all come with different options depending on what you want. It has our rinse beakers and our solution beakers. We have our anodes, our bus bars, our safety equipment, some leads, and then the common cable, and then a ring rack. We also get a thermometer in this one because this Freestyle does have a heater unit in it, but it's only on one of them. Two of them don't have it. And then we have our instructions. All right, so this kit, while I'm opening it up, this kit is super similar to the Jewel Master in almost every single way besides being able to control the voltage and seeing the amperage as well. But just like the Jewel Master, it does have a caution label saying that you have to have a connection to 120 volt AC. If not, it will ruin this heater unit in it. All right, to set this thing up, we are going to put our beakers right here. I'm going to take off these lids. We have our anodes. We'll put these in their colors. And just like the Jewel Master, this one does have a thermometer clip where you put your thermometer into it. And then we have our bus bars. They go on just like normal. Again, this kit is pretty much the same to the Jewel Master. The only difference is there's no control to control your voltage, and there's only one heater, so nothing for the electro clean. And then we have our alligator clip, or our common lead, so you can clip it to your parts when you're plating. And as you can see on the back here, there is no inlet to put in a power supply. The only way to do it is to plug in these leads. And this is an add-on kit, so you're gonna be plugging it either into a machine or into a different power supply that you can purchase on our website. We have a 10 amp power supply that it works great with, and I'll show us connecting that to a machine. The good thing about this kit is it can be a kit just by itself. Of course, you need a power supply, so you'll plug in your leads into the back of this machine, and then you'll plug in your positive and your negative into your power supply, and then this controls your heater station, and then this will control your voltage, and you can just play it just as a separate kit itself. The next thing you can do with this machine is add it onto the Chrome machine. You can do that by plugging in your positive into that red port or the blue port, and then plugging your common into the black port. We don't want to put our positive in this yellow port because it is a constant 12 volts in normal plating, and if you switch it to Chrome, it's a constant negative 12 volts. So just make sure you're doing it into these two, and you can control the voltage with just the voltage control on your Chrome machine. And now for your Chrome machine, you have a bath plating station on top of your brush plating station. All right, now we can set this up with the Jewel Master, and this is what it was made for. So on the back of our Jewel Master, we have these two ports right here, and we'll plug our leads into those from our Freestyle. And now your Jewel Master has a 6 bath station with 3 heater controllers, and you can control this one separately because this is the Freestyle, and the way you control your amperage or your voltage for everything is from the Drill Master, and that's just right there. So now you got a 6-bath station for your Drill Master. So just like the Drill Master, you will have your sample pieces that you can put into the Freestyle, and it works exactly like the Drill Master. Almost everything about this machine is exactly like the Drill Master again. And if you're looking for any information on how it works, you could probably look up a Drill Master video and see how it works because they're very similar. Alright, this Freestyle is a super awesome machine. It's a great add-on kit for bath plating, and if you want to add it on to a separate machine that's doing brush plating, you can, and it will do a bath plating on top of that. Again, this is super awesome, and I hope you enjoyed this video.